Escabeche. If you don't know what escabeche is, it's a fried fish with a sweet sour sauce. I'm going to be showing you guys how to fry the fish, how to make the sauce. Here's a little footage of the underwater spearfishing footage. First shot is going to be a veil veil. Enjoy the video. I'll see you guys in a little bit. Aloha. So I've got some carrots, some green onion stems, some white onion, and some bell pepper for our sweet sour sauce. We've got sugar, water, lemon. We've got a little bit of ketchup. This is gonna be optional. I'll show you how to put this sauce together. And then we just got fish. We got a veil, we got vete, manpachi, and toao. So we've got our oil here, 350 degrees. And what we're gonna do is we're just gonna put everything together and do a fish fry. So fish fry is super duper simple. I guess I'll explain it, but you just get the fish, you cut some slits in it like this. This is the toao. You're gonna put some salt, and you're gonna put some pepper, and you're gonna drop it into your fish fryer, and that's it. I have some cornstarch here. This is gonna be for the vete and for the just for the vete actually. Oh, and the toao. The cornstarch adds a little bit of coating, kind of like a crust, and it helps to keep the fish together. So the vete is soft, so that's why we use the cornstarch for the vete. And then for the toao, we put some cornstarch, just because it's a nice big fish and it's gonna give like an extra layer of skin. So you put it in the cornstarch. And then what you want to do is you want to make sure that you go over a trash can and shake off the excess, whack off any excess cornstarch. Like so. Because you don't want it to be too cakey. And then you just drop this bugger in. Escabeche, or fish fry with sweet sour sauce, can be done in many different ways. Today we're just showing you a very simple way, a basic way, so that you can make escabeche or fish fry with sweet sour sauce on your own and add in your own little twist. Okay guys, so our fish is almost cold. We got the vete working, all of our fish is ready. We're bringing them up pan to heat right now. We're gonna work on our sweet sour sauce. So we're gonna start off with the carrots and our onion. And then we're gonna add in our bell pepper and our green onion after. Sweet sour sauce is actually super easy. It's 1 part sugar, 1 part vinegar, 1 part water, and that's it. Then you taste it, and then you can adjust the water, sugar, and vinegar according to your own flavor, okay? If you want to make it red, you can add in a little bit of the red food coloring. That's like the way they do it. Or some people hate this, but I use a little bit of ketchup. To me, ketchup is basically just vinegar and sugar with, you know, the ketchup base. But yeah, so I use it because it brings color and adds a sweetness to the dish. Okay, so we brought our sweet and sour sauce up to a boil, reduced it. Now we got a nice thick sauce here. We're gonna turn this off and get ready for plating. To make this dish look as if the fish is swimming in sweet sour sauce. We're gonna lay down our sweet sour sauce. Look at that. Oh! Wow, this thing smells so good. Because you don't want to overwhelm the fish with the sauce, right? So we got our sauce there. Then, what I do is I open up the stomach of the fish so it lays flat like this, kind of standing up. So, take our, whoa, crispy, vecchie. Oh my gosh. Fried fish swimming in a sea of sweet sour sauce. Guys, thanks for joining me for another episode of Hawaii's Only Catch and Cook. Vecchie, Avail, Towal, Mampachi, and Avail, swimming in a sea of sweet sour sauce. Enjoy. I'll see you guys next week, Saturday.